What's up, my Bellezas, aka beauties? Today I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot. As you can see, we take the yarn, we cross over the middle and index finger to make an X. We take the crochet, slip it through under the first hook to grab the second loop. So we're going to do that again. We're going to take this one down. We're going to wrap the yarn around your index and middle finger. And we're going to create the X. From the top, insert your hook under the first loop to grab the second loop. Draw the second loop. You just grab under and up through the first loop. Again, we're going to go ahead. We're going to wrap the yarn around your index and your middle finger. We're going to create an X. We're going to take the hook, go under the first loop. We're going to grab that second loop. Draw the second loop and grab under and through the first loop. Slide your fingers out and pull your hook while you slide your fingers, and you'll pull both ends down. We're going to take it down, and then we're going to actually do it with our hands. You see the X right there. We're going to take the piece, pull through, boom. That's easier than doing it with the yarn. Cross over, got the X, take the yarn, pull through the loop, and pull both ends. And it's really easier without the crochet hook. Now you know how to make a slip knot with both a hook and your hands. Let me know if you need anything else. Bye.